If you've been watching the markets lately, three names have been showing up more and more often: Amprius Technologies, Nuvation Bio, and Planet Labs. Each of these companies is sitting at an interesting point right now, and today I want to break down why investors are paying attention to them and what you need to know before jumping in. Let's start with Amprius Technologies. This is a company making serious moves in the next-generation battery space. Over the past year, Amprius has grown revenue at a blistering pace, jumping from around $9 million to nearly $24 million. That's a 167% increase in just 12 months. Analysts have taken note too, with consensus ratings putting Amprius at a strong buy and average price targets suggesting more than 60% upside from current levels. What's driving that optimism is their silicon anode technology, which promises higher energy density than conventional lithium-ion batteries. They've also been securing important partnerships and scaling up production, including collaborations overseas. Investors saw record-setting revenues in the most recent quarter, and the stock has been trading on heavy volume. Now, it's worth remembering that Amprius is still not profitable and has reported tens of millions in losses. On top of that, some insider selling has raised questions about management's near-term confidence. But the growth story is undeniable, and for those who can handle volatility, Amprius offers a speculative but exciting opportunity. Next, let's talk about Nuvation Bio. This one is firmly in the biotech camp, and biotech always comes with risk. But the potential upside here is enormous. Right now, the stock trades under $3, yet analysts have been issuing price targets in the range of $6 to $10. That represents a possible gain of more than 170% if those projections hold up. H.C. Wainwright, RBC Capital, and Wedbush have all reiterated buy ratings this year, showing broad confidence in the company's pipeline. The challenge, of course, is that Nuvation is still deep in the red. Losses in the tens of millions continue quarter after quarter, and like many small-cap biotech firms, it depends heavily on the success of clinical milestones. A single positive or negative development in their trials could swing the stock dramatically. This is the kind of name that attracts speculative capital, people willing to bet on the next breakthrough in oncology. It's high risk, high reward, and investors who step in now need to accept that volatility is part of the deal. Finally, there's Planet Labs. Unlike the other two, Planet operates in a very different space, literally. This company runs a fleet of satellites that take daily images of the Earth, selling that data to governments, corporations, and research organizations. It's a unique business model with real long-term potential because geospatial data is becoming more valuable across industries. Planet stock has recently bounced on heavy trading volume, suggesting renewed interest from investors who see value in the long-term story. However, it's not without challenges. The company went through layoffs last year, cutting nearly 20% of its workforce and taking on restructuring costs. That's a signal that Planet is still trying to find its balance between growth and profitability. Unlike Amprius and Nuvation, there isn't a clear wave of bullish analyst targets behind it right now, so the momentum story is softer. Still, for investors looking at the geospatial and data as a service market, Planet Labs is one to watch. Because if demand for Earth imagery expands as expected, this company is positioned right at the center of it. So where does that leave us? Amprius is the growth play in clean tech, Nuvation is the moonshot in biotech, and Planet Labs is the long-term bet in geospatial intelligence. None of these are sure things. Each comes with significant risks, from profitability challenges to cash burn to execution hurdles. But each also represents a slice of the market where innovation could deliver outsized rewards. For the speculative investor willing to tolerate volatility, these three stocks are compelling stories right now. If you enjoyed this breakdown, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more investing insights every week, and let me know in the comments which of these companies you think has the brightest future.